All right. One day's work. One man. A few choice instruments. I was just thinking about it. I've been using these bars. These used to be yellow. Actually, yeah, you can tell. I've been using these bars for over 20 years. That was my first job. Help Dad demolition. Help Dad remove things. Of course, when you're a kid, you just start smashing holes clear through walls, and within 5 minutes, you've used all your energy for the day. There's an art to taking things apart. It does take energy. I was sweating like crazy, but you can be efficient. So it's kind of cool, nostalgic. I still got the old sledge and the bars I grew up with using. Obviously, the newer stuff I did not, because I am an old fart. But we had a couple interesting finds, a little archaeology here, or I don't know what you want to call it. Mr. Starling, he's been living in the chimney, coming in the chimney, and he started back in the day building nests here, but you can see it's just been every year after year after year. No more. Tomorrow we're going to removing this stuff. We'll bring the wheelbarrow around and get the pitchfork, and we'll come straight out of the wall bay. But the rest of this stuff I've been sort of consolidating. That's my client Fred. He's coming to get another load. He's been breaking this stuff down for me out here. We've got a pile going, but just feeling good. We got the transit set up. We'll do a specific video with regard to exactly what we found out here now that we can see all around in here, but really productive day. All right, we'll see you.